guys, today I'm playing Roblox Adopt Me, but this isn't gonna be a regular gaming video. This is gonna be a video of teaching, not boring teaching, tutorials. So all of these builds I made myself, and I didn't copy off anything. It was pretty hard to make. So number one, we have this weird snowman seat that you can sit on. Pull off. Okay. Then you have this cool pet bed. Let's just give that ginger red there. Then, okay. That's what for your pet. There's a pet bed. And you got this cool emoji face. I'll be showing you guys how to make all of these right after I show you all the builds. So you can make any face here you want, like here. Try that. Just you have to turn it around. Boom. You have that. So yeah, let's just keep that for some reason. This is just the regular toilet, but as you can see here, this thing looks like toilet paper. It really does for some reason, but it suits so well. And we have this awesome car with real wheels and a road, and yeah. My favorite's probably the toilet. So let's start building. Yeah, let's just build it up here. So first we're gonna do the car. So you need a royal rug. Boom. Then you make it black. There's the road. Now you need a large block. Right now, you need a barrier. Now you need a wheel. You need 4 wheels because the car has 4 wheels. It's not a car if it doesn't have 4 wheels for some. Well, never mind. So use your barrier, place it like this towards the wall. Then you're gonna put the wheel over like this. Then you're gonna take another wheel, put it like that. Okay, yeah. Same thing on the other side. There. I'm doing it against a wall. You don't have to. You can put it in the middle of your room if you want. But this is that. Now you're going to need a block. A large block. So you're going to put it like that. Looks pretty good. Now you're going to get 2 of these blocks. The little blocks. Boom. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I fixed it, and yeah. Now you're gonna get bricks. So make it sideways and then put it over here like a window. Then until you kind of cover it. I like leaving a little bit of space here. You don't have to. And yeah. Then you color it whatever color of window you want. And I'm gonna make it white because I feel like that's what a window color would be. Oops. Okay, did I fix it? Okay, there. I fixed it. So now you can have whatever color card you like. Since the picture over there downstairs, that one's green, so I'll make this one green. And you're probably thinking I'm dumb, and yeah, I'm not, but you change the color of wheels to whatever you want. Boom. What turned black then? Okay, that's fine. Next is the emoji. So the emoji thing. So first you're gonna type in disk. Boom. You can pick whatever disk you want, but to be honest, I like the regular disk better. I'll just show you both of them. So now you're gonna type in sign. Wait, what? Sign. Okay. The sign you're gonna pick is either, well, all of them will work, but I recommend this one because it's the cheapest and all the signs are expensive. Since you don't like the wood, you might like the wood and keep it that color, but if you don't want the wood, just make it black. It barely shows the wood anymore. So now you turn this yellow, of course, and so you're gonna put this sideways, and right now you're gonna change the text to, you can make it any smiley face, boom, or if you really want it, you can do this, chill, and you make a sad face. You just play around with that. You can do the same with that one, and on to the next one. So guys, for number 3, we are going to make that floating bed thing. So first, just hear me out, okay? So if you get the hat, okay, you can type in hat, no, not rat, or light bulb. They're both like kind of like a bar. There's just a straight bar. But the thing that really triggers me are those slight details with this. I hate that E circle. So, yeah, I'm using hat racks, that's why. So, I'm going to turn those black. You can pick them whatever color you like. And, boom. So you have that. Now you're going to need a pet bed. Pet bed. I will use this one because it just looks the best. And you're going to need barriers. And you're going to place it about up to here, I'd say. Oops. Okay. So now you're going to place the bed up here, sideways, and there. So you have this bed. Next, we are going to do the toilet. That's my favorite. You can do either toilet. I like this toilet best because it looks like an original toilet. Well, what I'm used to. Okay, I'm gonna do it against the wall over here. Now you're going to get roll. I can't spell. Rolling pin. There. This really looks like a toilet paper roll. A roll of toilet paper. Or an empty toilet paper. But either way, it's toilet paper. There and there. That's all you need. I don't need to explain that, but there. Next, this is more difficult to do, and we are gonna do that snowman seat. I know it's summer, but it looks weird and funny. So yeah. So The materials you're gonna need are the rolling pin. Why do I keep on robbing pin? Rolling pin. You're gonna need 2 of those. Now you're gonna need a beanbag chair. This beanbag. Then you're gonna need a pot. Wait, not a pot. Decorative pot. There. Then 2 bottles. But seriously, bottle. A small bottle, that's what it is. So, oops. I think this works with a wall. I'm gonna do this with a wall again because it's just so much easier. I don't know why. Oh, and you're gonna need a barrier. There. So, you're gonna put it to the wall and put it sideways and put it about right here. Then you're gonna put the pot like about here. Now you're going to put it on the floor, make it like this, then you're gonna put these eyes onto it with the bottles. Like about there. Yeah, that seems pretty decent. Then about here. Oh, that looks wonky eyes. There. That looks pretty good. You're gonna change the beanbag chair, aka the body, to white. Well, you can change whatever color you want it. I'm gonna keep it white. Now you're going to get your barrier again and put it okay, let's put it about here. There. Then you're going to use your rolling pin and put it inside. It looks like arms that way. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. That. Oops. Is that too far? Oops, guys. Just put it a little bit further back. Boom. Boom. Oops. There. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and I forgot something. You're going to use a hat rack at speed. So, there. And since you don't have gray and brown feet and have like a white body, it just looks weird. So I colored that, and there you have it. You can put hair on that if you want, but yeah. Those are 5 unique things I made by myself, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and bye.